In this video, we'll have a look at how the wait function in automation in Macanta functions. So we go to admin and we go to our automation. You'll notice in your automation workflows in the groups, you've got the wait function between the if and the then side of the automation. So when you go in there, you've got some options, and they work in combination with each other. So I can say here, wait 5 minutes. And what that will do is when this condition is met, it'll wait 5 minutes before it triggers this action. Straightforward, just a 5-minute wait, nothing fancy, nothing in addition there. Or I can say, okay, wait 5 minutes, then run at 12 p.m. Or let's say I'm going to run it at 3 p.m. or 8 a.m. So what you can do there, for instance, you can say, okay, wait 1 day and then run it at 8 a.m. So what that will be is if let's say the condition is met at 3 p.m. in the afternoon, it will then wait 1 full day. And by 1 full day, we do actually mean 24 hours, not just until the date changes. So it'll wait until 3 p.m. the following day, and then it will wait until the following 8 a.m., which will now be another date further on before the action runs. So if you just want to make sure that it runs at the first available 8 a.m., then you'll likely say, well, wait 1 minute and then run at 8 a.m. because then if it comes in at 3 p.m., it'll run the following morning. If it comes in at 7 a.m., it'll run on that same day. But let's say you do set it that it's 1 day and then run at 8 a.m., or you can say wait 1 week. That's obviously a longer time period. So what we do there is you have the option to say, well, revalidate the trigger condition. So that's indicated by the little blue line here so that you can at a glance see if there's any revalidation set up. But just to explain how that works. So what happens is this condition looks and says, okay, does this data object meet this condition? Yes, it does. Without a timer, it would run this action right away, okay? But what we're doing here is we're saying wait 1 week, then run at 8 a.m. I don't need the 8 a.m., but let's say we're doing that. Wait for a week, then run at the next 8 a.m. Now, the data object can be updated and changed in that week. So what the revalidate allows you to do is say, well, if the data doesn't meet the condition anymore 1 week later, don't take the action. Just take it off the list and ignore it. Whereas without this, even if the data has changed within that week and it doesn't meet that original condition anymore, it will still run and trigger the action. So you've got the option for how long, what unit you wait for to run at a particular time, and then also that revalidate trigger condition, which is especially used for longer delay times if you want to make sure the data still matches the condition. So that is how the wait function in Macanta works.